The birth centenary celebration of former trade union leader and also an Indian Hindu ideologue Dattopan Thengadi will be held today at the Gandhi Memorial Hall, Imphal. The observance is organized by Dattopan Thengadi Birth Centenary Celebration Committee, Manipuri. Special Judge POCSO Imphal's Maibam Manoj Kumar yesterday convicted a sexual assaulter under the POCSO Act. The convicted person has been identified as 24 years old Yumnam Naucha of Pukhao Khabam. As per reports, he sexually assaulted a minor in November of 2016. The special bench in the Supreme Court, which was constituted to hear the case related to Assam's National Register of Citizens (NRC), has been dissolved after the retirement of former Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi. A regular bench headed by current CJI S.A. Bobde was scheduled to take up the case yesterday, according to reports. A 41-year-old German tourist was killed on Tuesday in northern San state of Myanmar in a landmine explosion. The accident took place when he was hiking in a restricted area in the countryside, reports said. However, an Argentinian woman who was with the victim escaped unhurt. It is believed that he might have triggered a landmine while walking between the villages of Panyang and Konhok.